Anything you do to a car is a mod.
Boost tube.
Boost tube.
Yep.
Boost tube. Boost tube.
This car's name is Selena. This guy's name is Logan. My name is Jackson. And yeah, that's all you gotta know. It's the boosted tube. The boys of boosted tube. Or for short, the boosted boys. So Houston came up right before we were going to test the subs and they weren't working, and Houston over here is a god. Hey! And he's going to be helping us out. This is Houston's Durango. This is his stupid stuff. That's Cayman's stupid stuff. That's my stupid stuff. We all just chilling. Yeah, so. Oh, I love that smell. Yeah. It's alright. We got a seat for Andrew! Alright, so after Houston came over, we were doing some stuff. We couldn't get this thing to run. We were having a problem with that earlier, as you saw in the video. And
let's get a run.
Yeah, so we also got some stuff so we could better splice the wire. We got some connectors so it's not sketchy. Yeah, so we took the top out for a spin. That was fun. While we were at O'Reilly's, we bought some sea foam, hopefully to clean it out. Direct fuel injected. Oh yeah. GDI. Standard fuel injected. SFI. And then for CE. Store and fog engines. Sick. Yeah. Also, he ripped this boot right here, which we found, which is kind of messing with the vacuum. It's not really good. What are you looking for? That one doesn't really work.
It doesn't.
Oh, okay. Now, if anything, no, Cayman, look, no, don't. I'm trying to show you something. I won't take it from you.
So let's see. I guess I can't see it on this. So I'm using some container on this. Hey, Cayman. Stop it.
Let's see if I can get this right. Okay, there we go. So yeah, we're gonna want to loosen this up and then get the straw in there. And Cayman, if you don't mind, you should probably look into this boot. See how much it would cost to get a new one.
I see the keys started.
This is so weird. Houston!
What?
Come tell me if you understand this at all.
What?
I take this off.
Wait, why is there... What? What? That makes no sense. Why is that... What?
Exactly.
What?
What is this? I've never seen anything like it before in my life.
That makes no sense. I don't know. What?
Probably is a vacuum. It's powered by vacuum. Is there any sensors on this? Okay, so this, what does this go to? Yeah, what is that though? That goes into this, which goes into the fuel rail? Oh, what the heck? Standard that comes down in here. Why'd you buy this?
Because it was cheap.
Do this. Because I know civics. Okay, is this dirty though? What the heck, Cayman?
This makes no sense.
Hey, push on the gas pedal. Yeah, just right now.
Oh, start it?
Whoa! Sure. And then push on the gas pedal when you're starting it.
You gotta spray it where you started.
Yeah, I know. Well, you have to spray it while it's running. And you can't.
Well, you spray a bit to get it started because it also has a choke.
Aye. Keep it running, keep it running. Key out. Start again. Hey.
No.
I can tell. That scared me because it backfired with all the stuff in there. I left that there for quite a while. Oh, 21 minutes.
Oh, you were recording?
I guess.
Oh.
So yeah, you're trying to find out what could be...
I'm a YouTube star.
Yes, you are, Poppy.
Thanks, Dad.
I'm trying to find out what is going wrong. I think I'm just going to turn that whole thing into a... like a time lapse. No other way
All
to
you
do
hear
it.
in the middle is shit.
Okay, now I'm back on the you could be misfiring.
Get this thing into neutral.
You have to press it hard, Poppy, like, and then you have to pull it hard. And then you have to have a foot on the brake.
It is. It's down all the way.
Might need to have the keys in.
Keys
Have Cayman do some shifty. Wait, no, it's not. It's just a coil pack.
I'm just gonna let it run while it is.
It's running. First try. Yup. Did you kill it?
I press the gas. No, that's it.
Okay.
Alright, disconnect another one.
Cayman, pull out the cylinder too. So we've gone to O'Reilly's and what's the other one? AutoZone, and we are looking for a vacuum hose. I don't know if I think it's in the video earlier, but yeah, neither of them have it. So we're going to a foreign shop right now to see if they have it, and if not, probably gonna have to go online. Oh, I didn't have my turns in wrong. Oops. So yeah, Cayman, you took the video in the wrong. It's supposed to be sideways. Oh well. Disclaimer: this part of the video is going to be the wrong direction because Cayman doesn't know how to be a cameraman. Too late now. All right, so Cayman and we got back from the foreign parts place, and they were telling us about this whole little system. I'm sure I have a part in it for the video. Cayman, would you like to explain, or do you want me to?
You can.
All right, I think I understand it a little bit better, but I was giving Cayman a chance to redeem himself.
Yeah.
So right here, you know, we were trying to push this down, and, you know, it won't go down at all. What the heck? You know, that's so weird. And this is where all of his fuel lines are. You know, it's direct port injection, so it's not carbureted per se. But the thing is, this flap, here, can you open that? Comes up. And based on how much it comes up, it tells how much fuel needs to go through these lines and into the injectors.
Because of the suction of the engine.
Yeah. So based on how much fuel is getting sucked through, how much air is getting sucked through, it changes how much fuel is going through, which is actually quite cool. I think that's really cool. But the problem with that is, I don't know if we got this on video earlier, this little boot right here, which I was taking off to try to get the seafoam to go through, you know, goes right there. You can kind of tell we have sealant on there. It gets cracked, right? And so this is cracked, which then gets rid of the vacuum that's right here. Because
the suction.
Yeah.
Gets rid of the suction.
Suction, vacuum, same thing, bud. But since you don't have the vacuum, this won't open. Thereby, when you give it fuel, it kills it instantly, no matter what. So that's why I idled hard. And yeah, oh, dude, I have an idea. I wonder if we could try to open this while it's running. You know, while you're trying to start it. And see if that does anything. Where's my vice grips? I think we should wait till Houston gets back, though, so he feels like he didn't miss everything of all of our revelations. We'll be like, I missed out everything.
No, all we need is
he gets
Mexican.
back and you're gone. You look out.
now all we need is a Mexican to sit up here.
Yeah. Paying nothing.
Don't put that on the video.
Try it. Okay, and if I yell, kill it, we're gonna kill it.
Got it.
But if this thing runs like a pearl, bro. Why did I say pearl? I feel gay now. We're doing a mod! Doing a cool mod to Cayman's car.
I watched none of that was recorded.
You're watching it while it's recording.
No,
Cayman,
none of it was recorded.
shut up.
Yo, what the heck is that?
What? Oh, like everything I just said wasn't recorded? Oh, I'd be pissed. Because I just said quite a bit of cool things. I just gave the whole world how to fix a Volvo.
It's not a Volvo.
I don't care. That's how you fix a
It's
Volvo.
Audi.
Clearly. Has Audi parts, bro.
It has Audi parts and everything.
Has Audi logo.
Yeah. Look, Audi and Volkswagen.
I thought you were about to say, and Volvo. Really accentuates on how many liters this thing holds. You should draw a piece on your headlight. People behind you, why is there a shape on his headlight? People behind you ask, why is there a shape on his headlight? People behind you ask, why is there a shape on his headlight?
Taking animals out your show. Where's your smiley face?
That ruined the car. It's a Volkswagen. It's supposed to be frowny face.
They run forever.
Until you put the smiley face on it. Hey, I have an idea. You know how Houston was making fun about me? He's like, you only clean like 2 square inches of everything. Hold this. You're gonna be my cameraman for a second. I'm doing a cool mod. Anything you do to a car is a mod. But I'm only going to clean this one. I ain't trying to cut up your coil pack. But it actually look good if that whole thing was like that. Do it on my bum. Ah, okay, these are new. Stop, get off. Oh wait, wait. No, this is open. I have to clean that. Let's do a cool mod. Let's wire wheel all of his I made a note. Go on your exhaust and then just paint it. I'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, we're about 20 minutes into the stereo, and we have it almost all the way done. Yeah, we're about 20 minutes in, or, you know, depending on the way you look at it, 10 hours.
I bought it for a commuter.
And it wasn't commuting for a second there, was it?
Now it does.
Yeah, it commutes again. We restored the communication. Look at the stars. Cayman, look at the stars. Oh, I drove up here.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. Do it on my bum. Ah.